Hello students, hope you are doing well and fine. So today we are going to continue the exercise. We start the exercise with question number 2. So let's go to the question. I'm just reading the question. So two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. The perimeter of triangle is 36 centimeter. What is the third side? Okay. So I have made one figure, triangle ABC, in which two sides, that is AC 12 centimeter and BC 14 centimeter, that is given, and perimeter is also given. Perimeter is given 36 centimeter, right? But what is not given? The third side. Okay, the third side AB we have to find out. This is the question all about. So AC is 12 centimeter, BC is 14 centimeter, and AB we have to find out, and the perimeter of triangle is given 36 centimeter. So it's in a triangle, you have to find the perimeter of a triangle. So we have to add all the sides, that is AB plus BC plus CA, that is already given 36 centimeter. This is the perimeter. Okay, so what is AB here? That we have to find out. So just write AB plus BC is given 14 centimeter, CA is given 12 centimeter, that is equal to 36 centimeter, right? So AB plus 4 plus 2, 6, 1 plus 1, that is 2, is equal to 36 centimeter is given. Okay, so we have to find the third side. So what you have to do? We have to shift this 26 to RHS side. So this is plus. So when we shift this 26 to this side, it will become minus, right? So AB is equal to 36 centimeter minus 26 centimeter. So we get 6 minus 6, 0, 3 minus 2, that is 1, 10 centimeter. Therefore, the third side, that is AB, is 10 centimeter. So when you add 14 plus 12 plus 10, so we get 36 centimeter, right? Therefore, the third side is 10 centimeter. Hope the question is clear to you. Two sides is given and perimeter is also given. We have to find the third side. We have to add two sides, and that two sides we have to subtract with the perimeter. Then we will get the third side. Hope the question is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to the next question. That is question number 13. So I'm just reading the question. So in question number 13, find the cost of fencing a square park of side 250 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. See, one square park is there, and fencing, the word fencing came here. So we have already discussed in the first introduction video about this word. So when fencing is given, we have to find the perimeter. Okay, so side is given, one side is given, that is 250 meter. So length of the side of a square park, that is given 250 meter. Because of the word fencing, the term fencing is came, the word fencing is came, that's why we have to find the perimeter of a square park. So the formula for finding the perimeter is 4 into side. So 4 into side is already given, 4 into 250 meter. So 25 fours are 100, 10, that is 1000 meter. Okay. Now, the cost of fencing 1 meter is given rupees 20. So we are having how many meters? 1000 meter. Therefore, cost of fencing 1000 meter is equal to, so rupees 20 into is 1000 meter. So you will get rupees 20,000. So 20,000 is the cost. So the question is very easy. The side of a square park is given, that is 250 meter. One side is given because of the fencing. Okay. Because of the fencing, we are finding the perimeter of a square park. So formula is 4 into side. 4 into one side is 250. That is 1000 meter. And the cost of 1 meter is given rupees 20. So we have to find the cost of 1000 meter. That is 20 into 1000. That is rupees. All over the cost is rupees 20,000. Okay. Hope the question is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 14. I'm just reading the question. So, the question 14. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. Okay, again the word fencing came here, so we have to find the perimeter. So, length of a rectangular park is given how much? 175 meter. And breadth of a rectangular park is given 125 meter. Okay, because of the fencing we have to find the perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangular park, so since it's a rectangular park, so formula is 2 into length plus breadth, so that is 2 into 175 plus 125 meter. So 2 into 5 plus 5, 10, 10, 1, 2, carry 1, that is 3. 300 meter, that is 600 meter. Okay, the cost is given. Now, we got the perimeter, that is 600 meter. Now the cost. The cost is given how much? Rupees 12 for 1 meter. So rupees 12 for 1 meter. So we are having how much? 600 meter. Therefore the cost of fencing 600 meter. So how much it will cost? Just rupees 12 multiplied by 600 meter. Okay. So the final answer is the cost will be 12 into 6, that is 72, this 20, so 7,200 rupees. Therefore, the final cost for 600 meter is rupees 7,200. It is same as like a previous question. In the previous question it was square, now here it's a rectangle. So length is given, breadth is given. Because of the word fencing, we are finding the perimeter here. So formula for the perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. You can write 2 into L plus B also. There's no problem in that. First add this 2, then multiply. You will get 600 meter here. Then the cost is given for 1 meter, that is rupees 12. So how many meters we are having? We got 600 meters. Just multiply with 12. So you will get 7,200 rupees. Okay. Hope the question is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 15, 1-5. So, I'm just reading the question. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. Who covers less distance? Okay. So, as I told you in the first introduction video, some words are there: around, surround, all around, fencing. If you face such kind of word in the question, it means we have to find the perimeter. Okay. So Sweetie runs around a square park. She is running around a square park. She is covering the distance. Okay. So we have to find the perimeter there. And same Bulbul is also doing the same thing. She is also running around a rectangular park. Okay. So I have divided this into two parts. Okay, this part is for Sweetie and this rectangular park is for Bulbul. Okay, so length of the rectangular park is given 75 meter. Okay, so distance covered by Sweetie in one round. In one round, the word one round is came here, so we have to find the perimeter of a square park. That is 4 into side. The formula is 4 into side. So 4 into 75. So 4 into 75, you will get 300 meter. Okay. Now come to the rectangular park Bulbul. So length of the rectangular park, that is 60 meter. I am just writing here this side. So that is 60 meter, right? And the breadth of a rectangular park, that is given 45 meter. Okay, so distance covered by Bulbul. Okay, so total distance we are talking about. So here also we have to find the perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into length is 60 plus 45 meter. So 2 into, that is 5, 6 plus 4, that is 10. So the total distance is 2 5s are 10, 1, 2. 210 meter. So in the last part of the question, it is given that who covers the less distance. And if you see, 210 is less than as compared to 300 meter. So who covers the less distance here? So Bulbul covers the less distance as compared to Sweetie. Therefore, this is 210 meter. Okay. Therefore Bulbul covers less distance. That is 210 meter. Hope the question is very clear to you. This is, we are talking about Sweetie. She is running in a square park. Bulbul running in a rectangular park. Square park whose side is 75. She is completing, running one round. That's why, because of this word, we have to find the perimeter here. That is 4 into side, that is 300. And she is also running in a rectangular park. She is covering the distance for total distance. Here we have to find the perimeter of a rectangular park. That is 105 into 2, that is 210 meter. So if you compare, this is 300 meter and this is 210 meter. So in the last part of the question, it was given that who covers less distance. So here the Bulbul covers the less distance as compared to Sweetie. Okay. Hope the question is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now question number 16. Question number 16 is homework for you. Some figures are given to you, rectangle, square and triangle, and there you have to find the perimeters. Okay, so for finding the perimeter for square, 4 into side, the formula you have to use. For rectangle, 2 into L plus B. For triangle, we have to add all the sides. Okay, if equilateral triangle is there, you have to multiply with 3. That's it. So question number 16 is homework for you, and question number 17 is also homework for you. Okay, so since we have completed the first exercise 10.1, and rest of the exercise you are going to get in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you. So question number 16 and 17 is homework for you. Okay, thank you.